Hey everyone, Couch Investor here, back with another video for you today. It's breaking news because it is confirmed Salesforce is going to acquire Slack. We've got the news coming out right now, so we're going to cover that. We're going to look at the charts real quick because I just did a video a couple of days ago. I also released another video today regarding Nintendo and why ARK Invest has been buying this stock with a position over 2.2 million shares in their ARK ETF. So if you haven't checked that out, it's going to pop up in the top right corner. So let's dive into this video. Alright, so as we can see here, Salesforce confirms $27.7 billion deal to buy Slack, while results top street estimates. I said it in my last video, I thought the deal would be between $25 and $30 billion, so it's right in the middle at $27.7 billion. Now, what does that actually mean? So the company confirmed it would buy Slack, with Slack shareholders receiving $26.79 in cash and 0.0776 shares of Salesforce common stock for each Slack share, or for a combined $45.86 per share. Now, Slack shares fluctuated between slight gains and losses after hours, following a 2.2% rise in the regular session to close at $43.84. Now, Slack stock is up 95% for the year and up 44% since last Tuesdays when reports of the deal surfaced. So looking at the graph right now, we can see since my last video, since actually the news broke out, we actually went up $3, almost $4. But if you want to know the full increase since the last video until that $45 or so, it will be around about 12 to 13% extra gains. And for what we are right now, for the price we are right now, until that $45 or so, is just an increase of 4%. So if you don't know if your broker or whatever is going to charge you or is going to sell it automatically, you could sell and lose out for 4%. It all depends on what you want to do. So how will this deal go to work? So Salesforce said it would fund the cash portion of the deal with a combination of new debt and cash on hand, noting it received a commitment from Citigroup, Bank of America, and JP Morgan Chase for a 364-day $10 billion bridge loan. Now, Salesforce said it expects the acquisition to close in its fiscal second quarter, which ends July 2021, so still a long way ahead. Now, for those of you that are Salesforce shareholders, here are some key numbers for you. So they reported third quarter net income of $1.08 billion or $1.15 per share, versus a loss of $109 million or 12 cents per share in the year ago period. Adjusted earnings were $1.74 a share compared with 75 cents a share a year ago. Now, revenue rose to $5.42 billion from $4.51 billion a year ago this quarter. So pretty good numbers if you ask me. Little quote here by the CEO, Mark Benioff. So we had another record quarter and now we're raising our fiscal year 21 revenue guidance to $21.11 billion at the high end and initiating a fiscal year 2022 guidance of $25.5 billion. So still they expect huge growth ahead. All of you that are Salesforce shareholders, you should be very positive with what's been happening with the company and what's going to happen with the company moving forward. All right, so what does it mean for a Salesforce shareholder or for a Slack shareholder? Well, let's first start with a simple one, which is the Salesforce one. You guys have to do nothing at all. You just acquired another company and it will add huge value to your share and to the company that you're a shareholder of. Now, for those that are Slack shareholders, for you, there are a couple of things that might change and some things that you've been asking me in my last video. What will happen with your shares? What will happen with the company? Will both companies still be listed? What will happen? So first of all, both companies cannot be listed. It will all be listed under the name Salesforce. Same thing has happened with Teladoc and Livongo. Livongo is no more. It's all Teladoc. So same thing here. Slack will become part of Salesforce. Now, what will happen with your share? Like we've seen, you will get an equal amount of around about $45 and something, some in cash, and then the rest in shares of Salesforce. Now, like we've just seen, the deal will only close later next year in July. So what you can do right now is either sell your shares or wait for your broker or whoever is handling your portfolio to do everything for you. Right now, like I said, I already sold some of my shares at $40. I took some profit. So right now, I don't see anything wrong with holding your shares. Obviously, if you see another investment that is interesting to you, you could sell your shares right now. Obviously, there's not such a big difference between the price today and the initial price you're getting when the acquisition is over, when you will get the cash plus the shares of the deal. And that will be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you plan to do with your shares. Are you super excited as me regarding this deal? Are you a Salesforce shareholder? Are you Slack? Are you both maybe? Obviously right now we're all gonna be Salesforce shareholders, but let me know your opinion down in the comments below. Super short video, but I guess lots of you would have asked me to do this video, so here it is. And as always guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up as it really helps me out grow the channel and get my videos out there. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.